Enwa is among the leading manufacturers of water treatment equipment for the oil and gas industry. We design, manufacture, deliver and maintain a wide range of freshwater maker systems. Safe and secure supply of water is not a given, and for offshore communities, good quality water is a matter of safe operation. Enwa systems using the reverse osmosis process will in most circumstances be the most efficient, economical and environmentally friendly process to secure water supply for drinking and process purposes. Our water makers reduce the possibility of Legionella contaminations and raised levels of E. coli bacteria. Enwa has delivered water maker packages to the offshore industry for many years and have developed complete water maker systems utilizing reverse osmosis technology to produce valuable potable water. Water is produced by reversing the natural osmosis process, using high-pressure pumps to overcome the osmotic pressure. Utilizing energy-recovering technology in the form of a pressure exchange unit, Enwa achieves 60% reduced energy consumption compared to the industry standard. Even if the RO principles and technology is well known, Enwa has specialized in manufacturing water maker packages compliant to the demanding requirements, guidelines, rules and regulations applicable for the harsh environments found offshore. Exposure to heavy weather conditions, explosive atmospheres, shock and vibrations, in combination with salty, humid and corrosive surroundings, demand solid design and high-grade materials. Guidelines, rules and regulations such as NORSOC, health authorities, ATEX, PED and many others are implemented to ensure compliance to the requirements for offshore applications. In addition, operators have further strengthened those requirements to meet their own high standards with regards to reliability, safe operations and respect for the offshore environment. Our team of design engineers ensure compliance to relevant standards while keeping the design compact, operational and maintenance-friendly. Utilizing the latest technology, Enwa makes it possible to reduce energy consumption by 60% in our larger water maker systems. Our systems are delivered worldwide, while our commissioning and training program ensures first-class operation. We supply turnkey freshwater treatment solutions to some of the most demanding environments in the world. Our technology is both environmentally friendly and energy efficient.